Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into how easy it is to set up the MetaQuest 3S. If you're a VR enthusiast like me, you'll appreciate just how simple and seamless this process is. First up, the unboxing. You'll unfold some cardboard and pull out the essentials: the headset, two Touch Plus controllers, a charging cable, an adapter, and a few other small items. Don't forget the physical quick start manual and the glasses spacer if you need it. Now, let's get to the fun part: setting it up. Start by powering on your headset. You'll see a simple on-screen guide that'll walk you through connecting the controllers. It's as easy as holding down the Oculus button and following the prompts on screen. Next, you'll connect to Wi-Fi. Just select your network and type in the password. This will let you download any updates and get you ready to dive into the VR world. Installing the Meta app on your smartphone is the next step. It helps you manage your headset and access your games and apps. Just download the app, log in with your Facebook account, and follow the instructions to pair your headset. Once that's done, make sure your play area is clear. You can set up the Guardian boundary to keep you safe while you're immersed in VR. Just draw a virtual boundary around your space and you're good to go. Lastly, pop on the headset, adjust the straps for a snug fit, and you're ready to explore. Whether you're battling in space, creating in 3D, or just hanging out with friends in a virtual world, the MetaQuest 3S has got you covered. And there you have it, a quick and easy setup for your MetaQuest 3S. If you're looking to get your hands on one, check out the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon. Thanks for watching.